So welcome back, guys. Now we'll do in this class another type of connection is a cascade connection in the interconnection of two-port network. To explain the cascade connection, I take the one two-port network, another two-port network. So cascading, why this cascading is very much important is here. This is one. Let us say this is one system. This is another system. Each individual system characteristics are different. So the two characteristics are cascaded. That means this is not cascading is different between series. So many people will get confused. The series and cascading are equal, but in cascading, cascading different currents will be flowed, but in series equal current will be flowed. That is the major difference you need to understand. That is we are not adding something parameters, but we are cascading means we are merging the input of these two, merging of other thing. That is, for example, if you go to power systems, you will have later sections that is the cascading of one circuit, one station to other station. So there will be used in the cascading. So in electronics, you will be using a cascading of two amplifiers. There you will be using this one. So keeping in view of those applications oriented, we deal the cascade part here. Okay. So there, whatever thing we take is the input current. So as we know that we'll take this cascade thing. So this cascading means we keep in mind when doing cascading only ABCD parameter. Okay. So ABCD parameters, that is B for two-port networks are cascaded means the overall ABCD parameters of that cascading thing we need to get. That is the overall ABCD parameters of this cascading thing. So to make this cascade, we will add these networks like this. We will connect this network. We find the overall ABCD parameters of this two-port network, complete overall network. So for example, for series, we keep Z parameters. For parallel, we keep in mind is Y parameters. But for cascade, we keep ABCD parameters in our mind. Okay. Now, I'll give the namings of this thing. So I take ABCD parameters while doing ABCD methods. I take input current as I1 dash, and this current. So we have to assume that current is flowing outside of that current, and we need to name this as I2 dash. Okay. So while doing ABCD parameters, I said already why we take minus symbol and we'll take I2 dash. For this simplification for understanding this, if you take one circuit, that is circuit N, I wish to find the ABCD parameters of this circuit. In general, by conventionally, we take two-port network currents entering at one node at this terminal and current entering at this terminal. But in transmission lines, for ABCD parameter means transmission like communication. We send one input signal and the other signal will receive. So here, if you say if you are sending the I1 dash and I2 dash, you are sending. So I am taking minus symbol because in general conventionally two-port network should be enter like this, but I am taking outward. Therefore, I2 will get negative. That's the whole idea of this. Okay. So this is the main point you need to understand. This will be an interview question also, my friends. So remember this thing at any cost. Okay, if someone asks you in two-port network output in ABCD finding ABCD parameter, why you take minus? The simple answer is conventionally we take output two-port network input inside, but in ABCD parameters we have to send the signal from one side to another one. The sending will take direction this, but the naming of that current is minus I2. That is the answer. So and again the other network I am naming as let us say this is I1 double dash, and the signal getting outside is minus I2 double dash, and the input voltage as V1 dash, and the output voltage as V2 double dash, and this is V1 V2 dash, and this is V1 double dash, and this is V2 double dash. One thing guys, I want to make you sure, if you are very much enough in doing the ABCD parameters in not one, no, this is all, this thing is easy. So only thing is how the connection is going and what are the voltages now it is playing. So there is no difficulty in here, okay? So for cascading means we add these things. Okay. So the overall network, so individually we named it. For getting the overall thing, what we do is, this is overall voltage V1 and this is the input current I1. And again overall voltage of this is V2 and output current is minus I2. Okay, by this circuit I get V1 equal to V1 dash. Here V1 voltage, overall parameter voltage equal to V1 dash and V2 dash equal to V1 double dash. This output terminal of this port network equal to voltage of input terminal of another network. And again output voltage of second network V2 equal to V2 double dash. This is about the voltages. Now see how currents are playing. So currents are I1 equal to I1 dash, and here is I2 output terminal minus I21 dash equal to I1 dash equal to I1 double dash and minus I2 dash, I2 double dash equal to minus I2. So these are the currents equation and voltage equation of the two-port network you need to extract from the circuit. Okay, this thing over. Now we need to find the overall Z parameters. So individual ABCD, overall ABCD parameters. The individual ABCD parameters of this network is, let us take, this is V1 dash equal to A B2 A dash A2 dash B2 dash plus B dash minus I2 dash. Is that clear? And I1 dash equal to C dash B2 dash plus D dash minus I2 dash. And again individual parameters of this network is B2 dash equal to A double dash B2 double dash plus and right here B2 dash equal to V2 double dash. So V1 double dash equal to A double dash V2 double dash plus B double dash minus I2 double dash. This is the individual ABCD parameters of this network. So again I1 double dash equal to C double dash V2 double dash plus D double dash minus I2 double dash. Okay. Now our aim is using these equations and using these equations and using this extraction of those currents and voltages, we have to find the overall cascade ABCD parameters of this network. So the overall parameters, for finding overall parameters, we need to get I1, V1, I1 in the form of A, B, C, D, V2 minus I2. Okay. So here we have V1, I1. Let's straightly write V1, I1. Then that will be equal to what? V1 dash and I1 dash. Okay. So look at the circuits here. Look at the characteristic equation. We have V1 dash, I1 dash equal to this thing. So write that matrix here. That is A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. This equation thing is representing as matrix form. B dash and minus I2 dash. Now the beauty is here. Again, this V2 dash, V1 dash and minus V2 dash, observe from these circuits, you will have one thing in common here. That is V2 dash V1 dash is equal to dot V2 double dash, and I2 dash equal to what? I2 double dash. Okay, so give these equations of that. V1 dash, V1 dash, C1 dash, D1 dash equal to V2 dash equal to what? We got V2 double dash, and minus I2 dash equal to what? I1. So this is I2 double dash. So minus I21 is equal to what? I1 double dash. This is this will be V1 dash equal to what? V1 double dash here. Right? And simply V1 equal to, in the form of V1 dash we obtained that, and again after getting that, this is the individual parameters of input for network, and again we are getting individual parameters of second network, ABCD network. So the V1 double dash and I1 double dash. This is V1 double dash and I1 double dash. They will substitute these equations here. That is equal to A1 dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. Substitute these equations here. A dash double dash, B double dash, and C double dash, D double dash equal to V2 double dash and minus I2 double dash. Again V2 double dash and minus I2 double dash is we are having V2 double dash equal to V2 and I2 double dash is minus I2. Therefore, this equation, from this equation, from these equations you have V1 I1 equal to A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, and A double dash, B double dash, C double dash, D double dash. Substitute this V2 double dash with V2 and I minus I2 double dash with minus I2. So we obtained the overall parameters of ABCD parameters in the V1 I1 and minus V2 I2. But this thing we need to get common. That is, this is equal to this part will be equal to the matrix A, B, C, D. So therefore we will get A1 dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, multiplication of A1 dash, A double dash, B double dash, C double dash, D double dash. The overall idea is that, the final conclusion part is that, when two port networks are connected in cascade, their ABCD parameters of individual parameters are multiplied to get the overall parameters. Now the question will be in the form of, for example, any circuit, let us say this is the one circuit, let us say this is a circuit given to you, and they are asked you to find these two type of same circuits connected in cascade, find the ABCD parameters of the overall circuit. Now what you will do is, so you have the provision to convert this, directly you can find ABCD parameters of this network, and directly or you can convert this star to delta, and you will get in the form of pi network. After getting the pi network, you can convert into ABCD parameters, and after getting ABCD parameters of each individual circuits, and you will multiply their individual ABCD parameters, and you will find the overall ABCD parameters of the circuit. Okay? Next class, we will solve a few problems based upon the series, parallel, and cascade connections, and we will go to, after that we will go to synthesis. This is the 5th unit. Thank you guys.